police officers were dispatched in response to a civil matter. The first responding officer made contact with a female identified as Andrea, who appeared to be intoxicated and stated that they were unable to obtain a key for a rented golf cart. Another female subject explained that she had attempted for more than an hour to contact the rental company to request another key for a golf cart. When she was finally able to reach a company representative, she was advised that the request could not be provided, but that another golf cart could be made available the following day. Dissatisfied with this resolution, Cristal began yelling at the representative, after which the call was disconnected.
Because your camera showed that you touched it. I'm not going to jail, sir.
Walk away.
You're not going to jail. Cállate.
I want to go to jail.
Cállate.
Walk away. Is your pussy a little wet? Is your pussy a little wet?
Walk away.
Pussy.
You don't
Walk away.
I'm not.
Walk away.
I am way too old for you to tell me what to do. Andrea. Andrea. Excuse me, don't touch me. That's in the...
Send me one more.
Cállate la boca. Andrea.
Sir, have him on custody.
Andrea, excuse me.
Let's go. Stay away or you're going to be the next one.
Okay, you're touching me.
Okay.
You're touching me and that's in the camera.
I need one more. Sit down.
I just want to
Walk away or you're going to jail.
Andrea, stop it. I just want to grab her. I just want to grab her.
Are you going to walk away?
I'm not walking away. Excuse me, I'm not walking away.
Put your hands behind your back.
Excuse me. Ow!
We're not doing it.
So everybody you work with.
Sir, I have two females in custody.
Yeah, because I can't wait.
We're on Whitehead Street side.
I'm sorry. Wait. I'm sorry that you are.
So you're going to jail for better than
I'm
you.
sorry that you co-worker.
Well, we haven't.
That's literally what I'm getting arrested because.
He's
You understand that, right? I just want you to know that I'm getting arrested because the police in the U.S.
Ready? I'm going to lift you up.
Yes, please do. I can't get up because I'm getting arrested.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
That's my wife right there.
Right,
Can you please get her up?
Just come with me first.
I need you to get her up.
Come with me first.
I
Don't
can't.
listen. Don't do that.
I need you to get her up.
Come with me, please.
Listen.
Justina gets here for me.
Your co-workers. Yeah, I want you to know that.
Just stay right there for me, all
He
right?
got mad because
Please stay
I
right there.
emasculated him. I want you to know that.
Like
I'm going to get you up.
Okay, I appreciate you, but like he was like, he's intense.
Just have a seat on
He
the
just.
Have a seat on the chair.
I
for
just
me.
need my cell
Have a
phone.
seat, please.
He just put me in handcuffs. I am a license.
I've never been arrested in my
Stay
life.
over here, please.
Crazy.
Okay, just stay right there.
Look at me. Andrea!
Who is he?
Chuchi!
Bitch, I'm talking to my friend right here.
Okay, I need you to look at
Don't worry about it.
Andrea.
Your coworker has some like emasculating, like
Chuchi!
you know that, right?
I don't know, but I don't know what's going on.
He does though. He needs help.
Okay, we'll
He needs
figure it out.
help. He needs help.
I don't know what happened.
No, but like your coworker needs help.
Did someone bring the car?
Hi.
Excuse me.
Is that your car right there, Shark?
Come and
Shark,
talk to me.
is that your car? Yeah. Bring it over here.
Okay, I was getting.
Okay, look, please, stay right here for me.
And we
Please.
talked to you guys to talking to our golf carts company for the last 2 hours. And we called
He got mad because I spit to the floor. That's why he arrested me. Because I spit to the floor. Because I spit.
and he threw us on
That's why he got mad. I want you to know that.
my fiance.
To me, that's not a reason to arrest anybody.
I understand that. I understand that. I understand, but I'm an uncat.
In his face, I'm so sorry. I didn't know I spit on his face.
Do you have your ID on you?
I didn't spit on his face though.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Andrea, it's
Do you have your
me.
ID on you?
Well, no, I don't. It's in my golf cart right there. I could go get it.
Okay, over there? All right, we'll get it in a second.
Can you fix my hair? Because I'm itchy. I'm sorry. Thank you.
I'm not a pro at this, man.
I'm sure that you got a good job. Thank you.
Are you with them?
We're just observing.
You're
observing?
Yeah,
Okay.
are we far enough?
That looks like an alcoholic beverage,
It's
like a
empty. You want
mojito. Yeah, please, thank you.
Please take it. Yeah, it's done. We're just observing.
We do have an open container ordinance in the city. It's arrestable, just so you know.
Yeah, we don't have nothing.
I gotcha.
Yeah. We're just making sure everything's legal.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So 25 feet is about 4 car
Yeah, I
lengths?
do construction, so we're
Okay.
over 35 actually.
Okay, so stay
All right,
here,
so I'm
don't
over
get any closer.
35, so we'll stay right here.
I don't know if you're over 35.
No, I'm over 35. I do construction. This is
You do
way over
construct-
35.
So you're an expert in measurement.
Yo, absolutely.
Okay.
I'm actually in management.
Okay.
So if you want to measure me, you can get a tape measure out.
So this is how I measure 25 feet. 2.5 patrol length. The length of 2.5 patrol cars.
Listen,
so if you don't
What's your-
back
what's
up,
your ID?
Listen.
we're not playing that game.
What's your ID?
You're gonna move back to that fire hydrant.
No, we're just observing.
Listen, you're gonna move back to that
observing
fire
is
hydrant.
illegal.
Such a construction geek, 25 feet?
It's
The whole
way
sidewalk.
less.
The whole sidewalk, from yellow
Yo,
to yellow.
that's actually 24.
Okay, do you want to be a smartass?
No.
Okay,
Not at all.
then get out of here now.
Because I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen.
You're doing too much.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, it does. In Florida, we have a halo law. If you don't get back 25 feet, we will arrest you. Okay? You're taking our attention off of that and onto you.
No. I got you guys.
Then
we're all good.
do it.
No.
We have an investigation going on,
where's
and
our
you're being
law?
a smartass.
No,
What
where's our-
law?
Where's the 35-foot law?
There's no 35.
Dan, take this one seriously.
Sit-
No.
Yeah,
Please.
so you need to move then.
No.
Get back. I'm telling you.
How far?
Yo, 25 feet.
It's right here.
Sidewalk to sidewalk.
Oh, so back here.
So go on that side. And
No,
we'll
we
be-
out.
Yeah, that's so easy.
Say no more.
I hope that goes viral too.
And I asked him, can I have a police report? Because
And he said no.
that's how I'm going to get my money back, right? Like I've been calling for 2 hours. And he said,
I'm not
I cannot
asking
give
you
you
for
a
proof.
We only
I'm
use
asking
civil
you for
matters. So
proof
I
of a
went
police report. And he wants to be a douchebag and not give me a police report. I understand that it's a civil matter, but
I thought like they were their boyfriends or something.
That's why I wasn't paying them no attention.
That is true.
But then he's just like, oh, we're just making sure everything's legal. What?
But he got mad. He got mad because can you fix it? Yeah, it's like
You mind if I put on the card?
no.
Can you search now?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Are you okay if I could put them both in the same
Yeah,
card?
that's fine.
All right, ma'am. Stand up. You are under arrest for battery in the law. Stand up.
Can you
It's gonna be
communicate?
another charge. Stand up.
Oh, no, but can you
Why am I
communicate?
being
I give you lawful orders. Stand up.
I can't understand
Are you
what
gonna
you're
stand
saying.
up or not?
I need to understand what.
Excuse me, do you see this? Excuse me, you guys saw that.
Because you're actively resisting a lawful order.
She's not resisting, she's asking. I want to know what.
Sir, I'm not like resisting. Why are you hurting me?
Yes, you are.
I'm not hurting at all.
Yes, you are.
Why are you hurting me?
Get somebody to hurt me.
I'm not hurting at all. I'm not like resisting at all. Why are you hurting me? Ow. Why are you hurting me? Why is you hurting me?
Yeah, because we just started arguing over there. So now I'm telling you what to do.
I didn't argue with him.
Okay, just look at me.
What?
Move your feet apart. Okay? You have anything on you? Anything that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me, anything illegal? Okay. Nothing illegal, no drugs, nothing like that?
No.
Okay.
Charges: Andrea. Battery on LEO. Possess controlled substance without prescription. Introduce into detention facility contraband articles. Resist/obstruct officer without violence. Charge: Cristal. Resist/obstruct officer without violence.
Bring it back for me a little bit. Alright, we're gonna sit you in the back of the car.
All right, ma'am. Just we're done, all right? We're done with the fighting. We're done with arguing. It's over.
I'm not fighting with you, man.
Okay.
Like, I've never
Have a seat,
been
please.
fighting with you.
Have
I
a seat,
literally
please.
called you for help.
Have a seat.
I don't.
Go ahead, please. Thank you very much.
With all the security you need to put.
I understand Ski West has maybe too much alcohol. But you need
I
to
didn't
listen.
have much alcohol. I'm telling you. I called you for help.